All right, what's up, everybody? I want to show you something interesting, very like shocking. Okay, so excuse me, let me move my speaker. Okay, a Reagan judge, which is funny in and of itself. Like you know, like Ronald Reagan was around in the '80s. I believe he was president from '81 to '88, '89. When he left, but yeah, he got two terms. But yeah, like it's crazy to me that a Reagan judge could still be on the bench. Like that person would have to be at least 80 years old. But man, respect to this Reagan judge. I never those words come out of my mouth. I can be honest about something. I'm gonna say this early in the video. Donald Trump is so disastrous. He makes me long for Ronald Ronald Reagan, my least liked president. I love that. At least he had governed. At least he knew what was up. You know what I mean? Like he wasn't like just off like just doing crazy shit, like having 100 different court cases. Struck down. Like man, this is unbelievable. The caseload for these judges has to be incredible because this dude's just breaking the law every day. Like, bitch, I looked at a chart. How many like federal or cases? Like, how many judges have handed them a loss? Like, it's unbelievable. It's like hundreds, and like the next closest is like 20 with Obama or whatever. Joe Biden like 16. Like, bro, this is nuts. We're only like 6 months in. It was this judge said illegal and void. Judge reportedly, isn't that repeated? Shouldn't it be repeatedly? Judge reportedly slams Trump's administration NIH cuts. What do you read of this, man? This is crazy. A Reagan-appointed judge tore into the administration's actions Monday in the latest lower court rebuke in President Trump's second term. One of the latest rebukes from a federal judge against President Trump's administration came Monday in a case over cuts to the National Institute of Health. A judge with four decades of experience. I can't read this stuff with a straight face. It's such a long time. Like, that guy's gonna be tired. 4 decades of experience. How do you do this for 4 decades? Would you get tired of it? Reportedly deemed certain cuts of the NIH grants illegal and void while forcefully accusing officials of discrimination. Like, a Reagan judge is accusing this administration of racial and, I guess, LGBTQ discrimination. That's crazy. A Reagan judge. Reagan wasn't the biggest fan of black people. I'm just being real. Like from what I've read about him. That judge is Ronald Reagan's appointee, William Young, in Massachusetts. He reportedly says he's in Massachusetts. He's got to be more liberal than anything, but yeah. But he's a good judge. Like this dude is crazy. He reportedly said that he had never seen a case where discrimination by the government was so palpable. Palpable means like you can see and feel it, like it's there. You know it's there. You know what I mean? Like you can feel it. His strong words came in legal challenges the administration's bid to cut funding for research related to racial minorities and LGBTQ people. Like, bro, like, and the lawyer that fought the case for the government called this ideological. Being black or minority or LGBTQ is not ideological. It's not like something you choose. Like this shit is crazy. Like the targeting is nuts. Oh, and the joke here's the Reagan judge. Keep in mind, a Reagan judge, an 80-year-old man, like a real conservative. I will be blind not to call it out. My duty is to call it out, the judge said in discrimination he observed. He said he'd issue a written ruling explaining his decision. It's a really long decision, by the way. Young is not the first Republican appointee with decades on the bench to call the administration's illegal behavior and all manner of subjects, including birthright citizenship, gender-affirming care, and the president's retaliation against law firms. As in many cases, the questions here will be how the judge's firm stance holds on any appeal from the administration. They haven't decided if they're going to appeal yet. But if he said he's never seen discrimination like this, and he's got 4 decades, 40 years on the bench, he's a Reagan judge. Like that, my mind. I can't say a few things. A lot of things blow my mind because there's like crazy stuff out there you can learn. But like his 80-year-old son, let's find out how old he is. This is crazy. He's never seen discrimination like this. What the fuck? Mm, that hits hard. There's like no way around that. This is a Reagan judge, bro. Is this him? This is him. It's him. I mean, this man's a damn celebrity. He's 84. That's him. Does that look like a damn liberal to you? Does he look lived up to you? That man is probably the most right wing person you could ever meet. Look at that man. 84 years old. He don't play. And he said he's never seen racial and sexual orientation discrimination like this. So let that sit with you. Anyways, that's the video. But man, Donald Trump, man, what a disgrace. Like, there's nothing good I can say about this guy, man, going to court and losing 100 times. Because this guy's a winner at what? Winning elections? Donald Trump is like a team that gets to the playoffs every year and gets knocked out in the first round. He sure he wins the election, then he gets lost. Like, oh, they don't do shit. Anyway, that's it. That's the video. Thank you, William Young. William Glover Young for having a fucking soul. But he was born before Pearl Harbor, bro. Pearl Harbor was December 7th, 1941, right? He was born in 1940. It was Pearl Harbor 42. It was before, it was after this guy was born. I know that, but that's crazy. Anyways, there you go. William Young, thank you for having a soul still and standing up for minorities because nobody else fucking will in this country.